How to turn off message notification on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off your message notifications. So in order to change your message notification, what you're going to do is simply tap on Snapchat application first. Once you do that, go ahead to your profile section and from the appear screen, go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now you will be appear with your Snapchat settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on notifications. Now go ahead and disable your message reminders notifications. Now go back to your settings and then click on apps and notifications and click on Snapchat. Once you do that, tap on notifications, simply disable it. Once you disable it, you will no longer receive message notifications on Snapchat or for Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.